GaGaGa. So we start on the left. So it's left, right, back, right up. We do sailor. Sailor right, sailor light, jump up, jump back. Then we do that cross kick. Cross kick. Then we're going to weave. 1, 2, 3, kick. And then we're going to cross over. And then we just step. And then we're going to kick out. And then we weave again. And that leg is turning that way. So we step up and that takes us to the turn. Okay, so let's do that again. From the top. And then we'll see, when we get to this point, we'll see if we can do another one. Take us to the back wall. Because it's the exact same thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, back, kick up. Sailor, sailor right, sailor left, jump up, jump back. Cross kick, and weave. Cross change. It's really a ball change. Tap, and kick out. Then weave again. That leg is pointing that way. We step up. And then we start again. Left, right, step back, kick up. Sailor, sailor right, sailor left, jump up, and back. Cross kick, weave, and up, and over, and tap, kick, cross kick, and weave, and takes to the wall. Keep going. Left, right, up, back, kick up. Sailor right, sailor, jump up, and back. Cross kick, and weave, cross over, and tap, kick, weave, and just gotta stay together. That's fine. That's good. Here we go. We're doing it again. Just keep doing it. It's only, you just gotta keep doing this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, back, and up. Sailor. Sailor right, sailor left, jump up, and back. Cross kick, and weave. Good. Cross over, and tap, kick, and weave. This leg goes this way, takes us to the front.